أفضل بكم على الموضوع الثاني. إيجاد المادة مقدمة لليوم وباقي المبلغ من الاختبارات التعيين.
Bribes. It is a big problem that many countries suffered from it, especially Iraqi people. This led to administrative corruption. The definition of it is the exploitation of a certain position in order to carry out the work and the service for a group of people on condition of accepting financial reward for that.
Hello everyone, my name is Tayba. I'm graduated from University of Kufa, Electronic and Communication Engineering, and today I'm graduated from Oxford Institute. I will offer a presentation about big problem that administrative corruption. The definition of administrative corruption, it is the exploitation of a certain position in order to carry out the work and the service for a group of people on condition of accepting financial rewards for that. It is also known a bad use for the job. It's usually associated for accepting bribes. The definition of bribes, it is the fee that the person gets to complete a certain job without rights. Now I talk about the characteristic of administrative corruption. Number one, disrespect the labor law. Number two, the non-compliance the job duty. The administrative corruption includes many parties, the employee and the person that's seeking to achieve something through corruption. Number four, the administrative corruption steps are done in secret. And number five, it's work on a mutual benefit between people. So there are two types of administrative corruption: financial corruption and organizational corruption. Financial corruption, it is the most common problem of corruption, in which the employee gets money when he makes service for someone. Number two, organizational corruption is the sets of error that the employee make it during his work. So, the manifestations of administrative corruption and what is the effect of administrative corruption in our society. Number one, spread bribes. Number two, preference the personal interest over work interest and delay in completing a transaction. And spread poverty, widespread terrorism, and lack of confidence in political system, and a lot of negative impact on our society. So, what is the solution of administrative corruption? Number one, impose punishment on everyone who relies corruption in his work. Number two, providing control methods on employees. Number three, apply principle of where did you get this, and finally putting suitable person in a suitable place. And I finish my report with a saying that I like it: the lack of power causes corruption, and the lack of it in absolute degree causes absolute corruption. That's all. Thank you. And finally, this picture, it's represents this case in our society exactly. Thank you. My experience at Oxford Institute has ended. It was a wonderful experience. I learned a lot of words, meaning, vocabulary, stories, and dialogues, and we completed 3 stages. In third stage, we make different important reports and a lot of things that I learned from this institute. So I thank all the teachers, especially Ms. Maha and the director of this institute. رغم كل الصعاب اللي واجهناها من خصوصا فيروس كورونا وهيك اشياء، لكنه يعني قدرنا نتخطى هذه الاشياء، وتجربه كلش حلوه. انصح اي شخص يحب اللغه الانجليزيه ويحب يطور هذه اللغه انه يدخل للمعهد ويجرب هذا الشيء.
اوكسفورد القسم الاعلامي.